I'm about to take you to Knob of Door, the mystical land where doors open. Here's the mystical Knob of Door. It is a mystical, magical device in which you grasp it lightly but firmly, rotate it with a smooth motion, and as if by magic, it converts your smooth, gentle, rotational force into a linear actuation, which therefore does delattification of the door device, allowing openingness into the land of the unknown. What is behind that door is only for me to know, and you to never find out. Also, these latches, they're complete and utter magic. As you can see, it will slide in automatically and latchify as if by magic. Mad scientists, I say!